This is the 5th lesson of the Solidworks series. In this video, we'll learn how to create a 3D model of a pencil. Let's start. Go to File, New, Part, OK. We will start with the sketch for the wooden casing of the pencil. In terms of SolidWorks, a pencil is a multi-body part. A multi-body part consists of multiple solid bodies that are not dynamic, means different parts of the object do not move. A pencil, at minimum, consists of 2 bodies, a wooden casing and a lead. Although pencils can have more than 2 bodies, such as an eraser, as well as a fair rule, we will design a simple pencil with just 2 body parts, namely casing and lead. Right mouse click on the top plane. Sketch. Select Polygon. 6 sides. As a pencil usually has a hexagonal body. Left click on the origin point. Drag it out. Left click. Right mouse click. Smart dimension. Diameter of this circle should be 7 millimeters. Click OK. Our sketch is still underdefined. The reason is that we have not created any vertical or horizontal relationship. Right mouse click on this line and make vertical. Click OK. Now, we need to apply fillet on the edges as the edges of a pencil are not sharp. So make sure that nothing is selected. This line is selected at the moment, so just click outside. Go to Sketch, Fillet. This should be empty, and the fillet parameter should be 0.5. Click on this point, this point, this point, this point, this point, and this point. Click OK. And we have applied fillet to sharp edges. We now have to create a circle to create a hole for the lead. Select Circle. Click on the origin point and drag it out. Left click. Right mouse click. Smart dimension. Diameter of this circle should be 3 millimeters. Click OK. The sketch is now fully defined. Exit. We have created a sketch for the wooden casing of the pencil. Make sure the sketch 1 is selected. Go to Features, Extruded Boss Base. The length of our pencil should be 185 millimeters. Click OK. And we've created the casing for the pencil. Let's go to Appearances. To apply material, let's choose plastic. I know pencil is not made up of plastic, but we just want to make it look attractive. Drag and drop, and select any icon other than the face. We now have to create lead for the pencil. Press Ctrl 6 to view the bottom view. Top plane. Sketch. Select Circle. Left click on the origin point, drag it out, left click, click OK. We're creating another sketch. Now click on this circle and press Ctrl and click on this edge and choose co-radial relationship, which means radius of the circle and the radius of the hole is same, and hence diameters are the same. Click OK, and we've created a new sketch. Exit out of it. Make sure sketch 2 is selected. Go to Features, Extruded Boss, Base. Length of the lead has already been defined. For direction 1, I would like to choose up to the surface and select this surface. Notice Merge Result is ticked. If I say OK, both lead and casing will become one part, and we do not want that. So let me show you. If I leave Merge Result ticked and say OK, the lead and wooden casing have become just one part. What we need to do is to right mouse click here, click Edit Features, and untick Merge Result. And say OK. The lead and casing are now 2 different parts. We also have a folder called Solid Bodies, which was not there before, and it has 2 bodies. And let's rename these. Click here and rename this as wooden casing. And click here and rename this as lead. Our pencil is almost complete. And it has two solid bodies, the lead and the casing. We only have to sharpen our pencil. Go to right plane, normal to, and zoom into this area. Sketch, go to line, select center line, create a vertical center line along the origin point, left click, right mouse and select. Select line, click just a tiny bit away from this center line. We have to create a triangle which will be used as a sharpener. Left click, and close the sketch. Right mouse click and select. Smart dimension. The length of this line should be 17 millimeters. The distance from this point to this point should be 0.20 millimeters. And from this point to this point should also be 0.20 millimeters. And the distance from this point to here should also be 0.20 millimeters. Now the sketch is fully defined. Go to Features, Revolved Cut. Click this center line if not already selected. See the center line is selected as the axis of revolution, 360 degrees. OK. Go to Appearances, High Gloss Plastic, Black, color for the lead, drag and drop, and select the appropriate icon. Go to Appearances again, select Organic, Wood, and we want to apply wood to the casing of the pencil. Notice the orientation of the wood is not correct. It's going in circular direction. We want it to be vertical. Go to Display Manager, select this appearance, right mouse click, edit appearance, go to Mapping, and simply change this angle to 90 degrees. And the orientation of the wood is perfect now. Our pencil is now complete. We can apply a different color to these edges to make it look more natural. And I'll choose plastic again, high gloss, and drag and drop to the 6 edges. See how beautiful and natural it looks? So this is how you create a pencil in SolidWorks. Hope you learned something. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.